There are two types of YouTubers, those who post for fun and those who want to make money from it. If you are here for the first option, honestly, you could just quit this video. Please just leave. But if you are here for the second option, welcome.
My name is Abdul and I have been on YouTube for 2 years and made $0.
Oh my god, bro.
But all of that is going to change in the next 12 months. And this is exactly my plan for that. You know, 1 year has 12 months and 12 months has 52 weeks, and I am gonna take advantage of that. I am uploading one video per week, no exceptions. One solid video per week for 12 months. That's 52 videos, and by the end of this video you will have the exact same roadmap I am using.
So that when I'm making my $500 per month, you could be making yours. Let's get in, shall we?
Now, the plan is split into 3 phases. Phase 1, month 1 to 6, is called the hustle phase. No monetization yet, just uploading consistently and making better with every video. Phase 2, month 7 to 9, is the money phase. This is where AdSense and affiliate income kicks in. And phase 3, which is month 10 to 12, is the compound phase. This is where multiple income streams stack on top of each other until you hit that $500 per month target, or even way more.
Well, in this video we are going through only phase 1 because this video is going to be a very long one and I can't afford that.
Now for each month, there are 4 things to track: the main goal, upload target, scale target, realistic growth target, and finally things to avoid.
Let's start with month 1.
Main goal: prove to yourself that you can show up. That's it. Not views, not subscribers, not money, just show up. Upload target: 4 videos, 1 per week. Scale target: strong hooks. That's it.
Just make people love to get seconds.
Realistic growth target: 50 to 150 subscribers, 300 to 1500 monthly views.
Don't expect more than this, and if you get less, that's completely normal.
Now the thing to avoid in month 1 is over editing, waiting for motivation, and posting about random topics.
Now, month 2.
Main goal: make videos people actually finish. Upload targets: 4 videos, 1 per week. Scale target: open loop storytelling and stronger voice delivery.
Open loop is used to make everyone watch a video till the end just to get an answer to their question.
Here's an example of the same story with open loop and no open loop. Without loop, consistency is important because the algorithm rewards creators who upload regularly. If you post every week, YouTube will push your videos to more people. With loop, I posted every day for 30 days. By day 27, something happened in my analytics that I never expected, and it changed everything. Well, let me start with day 1. Now, they are staying for day 27. That's the open loop. Realistic growth target: 150 to 300 subscribers, 1000 to 5000 monthly views. The one thing to avoid in month 2 is long intro, teaching without example, and talking so slowly that people reach for their phones to quit your video because it's kind of fast. Month 3, main goal: steady your own data. Double down on what is working. Upload target: 4 videos. Scale target: learn to read your YouTube analytics properly. Find your highest retention video from month 1 and month 2 and make more videos in that exact style. And because you focus more on the analytics, your views for this month decrease a bit. So your growth target will be 200 to 300 subscribers, 1000 to 4000 monthly views. One thing to avoid: checking analytics more than once a week and changing your content style because one video flopped. 1 video is not data, 10 videos is data. Month 4, main goal: fix your CTR.
At this stage, you have enough skill to make a good video. After all, to be decent at anything, all you need is 4 hours for 2 weeks. Not to be an expert, but to be good at anything.
So fix your CTR this month with better titles and thumbnail. That's not the only thing, but it's the most prior. Upload target: 6 videos. The video should be simple. Scale target: writing of intentional quality titles and making good thumbnails. Realistic growth target: 300 to 500 subscribers, 2000 to 8000 monthly views. Month 5 main goal: make videos people come back for. Upload target 4 videos but higher quality.
This is where you build trust and show you are not some random YouTuber.
Put everything you have to learn to test and try your best to stand out. Realistic growth target: 500 to 800 subscribers, 4,000 to 15,000 monthly views.
Month 5 is where your channel starts to feel like something real is being built.
And month 6 is where you make sure it never falls apart. Month 6 main goal: make YouTube fit into your real life permanently. Upload target 4 videos. Skills: building of efficient systems, like having a thumbnail template, having some consistent element throughout your video to make your work faster and easier. Realistic growth target: 800 to 1,200 subscribers, 8,000 to 25,000 monthly views.
A system beats motivation every single time.
Motivation run out on your worst days. A system keeps you going anyway. By the end of the month 6, you have 24 videos. You have data. You have skills. You have consistency. The only one thing left is money.
And if this video gets 150 likes, I'll be making phase 2, where the real money comes in. Remind me if I forget in the comments. See you in the next experiment. Peace out.